Hi, I'm Amy Kelly. This is actually an older video from July 2020 that for some reason never got posted on this channel. So I hope you enjoy this little blast from the past. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.
It's July at our double plot, the sun is shining, the harvest is bountiful, and with Brian keeping the weeds at bay, the plot looks fantastic. The hanging basket cherry tomatoes are growing vigorously in our fruit cage. We companion planted them with African marigolds to deter insect pests, and we keep them watered with homemade comfrey liquid feed. We get all the salad and cooking vegetables we need from our plot, as well as enough strawberries, currants, blueberries and gooseberries to eat every day, and still have plenty left over to freeze and make into jams, which we shared with everyone on our street to cheer them up during COVID lockdown. We have so many gooseberries we even make our first ever batch of gooseberry wine, but we'll have to wait until next year to taste it. Fingers crossed. Different cutting flowers are coming into bloom, and now our bouquets include phlox and hydrangea, as well as fragrant pelargonium and lemon balm. The winter squash in our compost bins are flowering, the sweet corn is shooting up, and the whole plot is buzzing with bees and life. Our wildflower area is blooming, and we've built an insect hotel from leftover bits and pieces at the plot, and it's already a hit with the locals. Life is beautiful.